Morning, everybody. It's your one and only, the joyful baby care. Yeah. Right now, I bring one thing come our notice. If you look this picture where you see, you go see about things, food, baby things. Now the last update when we just carry on. Now be this because now the story of a woman. When we say, I don't know her in person today. But due to some kind people around there, now he come and say, this woman, she gave birth to twins, loving twins. I have not even seen that twins till today. Then that twins now, when the woman reach hospital, they did not have the programming because of this COVID-19. The woman did an operation and it came home finally. She come home fine. Sorry, because sometimes I been want to use PG, but she can't come home. When she reached house, after some days, she was short of blood. They can't run Shago Hospital. When they rush Shago Hospital now, the man no can get money to deposit. So somebody can borrow 10,000 for that house, take deposit before they carry operation for the woman. Then the woman, the short of blood, somebody can donate blood for the woman too. As they tell me, but when they want to discharge the woman, the doctor can charge the man 50,000 up to 60,000, but the man don't get the money because he no plan am down. This man can go in village, he go say him mama small goats. This time when he go share the mama small goat, people can't say they don't see the man. They can't say the man don't abandon the woman for hospital. So now, so this story can't happen. Somebody can contact me, say, see which is my sister, he need help for me because me I be person beside see they like to give help sometimes in my own way. Can't explain the story for me. Now say, well, sha, no be he can't say make we buy food go give the woman because it be like say the woman no they eat fine because of the children, two twins. Now say right now, I don't believe that food be the woman problem now because if you no pay that debit to a grant, how the woman want say it make it enter in mind. So we'll first start from there now. So we can run that. And before then, when my sister reached there, come say the man bring 20,000. He say no wrong. He go say mama go. Think they beg the daughter. And before then, the man was so, I don't know as I want to talk about, I don't see him more. But later on, the man surprised the way, because I call the whole story short. We take pay the bills. I pay the bills, we come out the bills, we pay the bill, we discharge the woman. I say when my sister reached, I said the woman asked, they make boom, boom, boom. You know fulfill it. And I say, I tell you, no be food be the problem. But the woman was so surprised. An angel from above. Somebody when you know just come rescue them from this kind of thing. Now so we can't pay the debt, but it was almost 60,000 naira. Then I can't tell my sister, say, nah. Then we can't go return the 10,000 back to that man where she borrow. So now I can't tell my sister, now the woman go eat when go enter. But if you see this food where they there, so now we can't buy her. Can't still go give the woman. We can't still give her small money. Now the woman was so you can see the happiness from the woman's face. Wow, I don't know this person. Who is she? But I told my sister I just want to hide my identity. I don't want to bring my face. But I decided not to even put the woman picture and nobody picture, but I just want to tell the story myself because God is so faithful. God is so amazing. God is so faithful to me in many ways. So why I go see somebody where we say if they in need, mostly I cannot give an help. No, it's not fair. I decided to do it my own way. In my own way, the way I know say I go fix it a joint. I might not do everything, but God knows the best. Because anything when I do today, now through Christ who strengthen me, no be my power, no be my hands. But now me they use my strength, they work, not be government, so nobody they assist me. Now my own pocket money I they use. So problem no they I never they do one, I never want they talk. But now I decided to be bringing it out. Just like a life story. This is true life story. So I thank God for everything and the strength he has given me to do it. And I thank God for more that he will do. more that he will do for us in the mighty name of Jesus. So but anytime you see I put something on my Facebook, I say the joy of the Lord is my strength. You know, I have done something which heaven is rejoicing. I don't post it, but I do it and I leave it for God to take control. But now I decided to be posting the one I can able to do. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, Joyful Baby Care. Follow me on Instagram. There another place when you go learn some kind better little thing, and follow me on my YouTube page. There now where we go see the upload some kind little things again. Gradually we go get there. That is just the support I need from you. You like, you share, and comment. Nothing else. Okay. Bye, your one and only Joyful Baby Care. See